Pickleball paddles are essential equipment for the popular racket sport, pickleball. Typically constructed with lightweight materials like wood, composite, or graphite, these paddles offer a balanced blend of control and power. With a distinctive shape resembling an enlarged table tennis racket, pickleball paddles feature a solid face with perforations, ensuring optimal aerodynamics and reduced wind resistance during play. The paddle's grip, often cushioned for comfort, allows players to maintain a secure hold while executing precise shots. Paddle sizes vary, but they adhere to standardized dimensions, ensuring fair play across the board. Pickleball paddles are designed to strike the ball with finesse and accuracy, emphasizing placement and strategy over sheer force. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, choosing the right paddle is crucial to enhance your gameplay and elevate your pickleball experience, as it directly influences your shot control, maneuverability, and overall performance on the court. Hi! Explore our platform to uncover intriguing revelations about pickleball paddles and gain access to comprehensive reviews of the top picks. Stay informed with detailed evaluations of the best selections available in the market. Earning an impressive 5th position within our evaluations, the CrispPlay brand unequivocally cements its prominence within the realm of pickleball paddles. Endorsed by USA Pickleball and adorned with the USAPA approval label, this pickleball paddle stands as a secure, professional, and enduring choice for both novices and experts alike. Melding unique fiberglass with established polypropylene honeycomb core technology, the paddle emerges as a fusion of lightweight design, resilience, formidable power, and impeccable control. The fiberglass surface amplifies power and spin prowess in pickleball, while the polypropylene honeycomb composition mitigates vibrations, ensuring consistent speed and precise ball direction control, thereby optimizing stroke sensation. The paddle's handle is designed for comfort and functionality, boasting perforations, sweat absorption capability, cushioning, and an ergonomically curved structure. With a slightly elevated head and a subtly concave midsection, the handle's 4.57-inch grip circumference affords ample space for maximal wrist power, spin generation, and a broad range of motion. Measuring 10.85 inches in length and 7.93 inches in width, the paddle's striking area optimizes hitting precision for flawless shots. Impressively lightweight at 6.9 ounces, this racket seamlessly caters to beginners, intermediate, and professional players, epitomizing quality in every aspect. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. Securing a prominent 4th position in our rankings, the EVENWAKE pickleball paddles emerge as a delightful addition to your entertainment arsenal. Constructed with fully encased carbon fiber, these paddles offer exceptional durability and impact resistance. The edgeless composite paddle, crafted through one-piece thermoforming technology and a watermark painting process, results in a textured surface that maximizes spin potential. This empowers players to focus on ball grip, shot shaping, and delivering assertive power across the court. The ingeniously designed edgeless structure takes aerodynamics into account, effectively minimizing mishits and potential errors. The generously sized paddle surface and expanded sweet spot work together to decrease deflections from pickleballs. The frameless design prevents mishits caused by the ball grazing the edge during slices or spins. Highly recommended for professional and enthusiastic players, these paddles feature an upgraded vibration-dampening dynamic vent-open design that enhances shock absorption, flexes to reduce wind resistance, and boosts swing speed and power. With an extended handle and lightweight construction, the paddles ensure enduring use without causing discomfort or strain in the elbow or forearm, effectively preventing pickleball elbow. Positioned as a pioneer in the realm of pickleball paddles, VINSGUIR claims a remarkable 3rd place standing with its exceptional product offering. The VINSGUIR pickleball set stands distinguished after undergoing scrutiny by USA Pickleball and receiving endorsement for official tournament usage. Its official approval, dated January 10, 2023, is verifiable on the USA Pickleball website, ensuring its credibility. This pickleball racket assortment effortlessly caters to your requirements. Boasting a polymer honeycomb core paired with a fiberglass finish, the VINSGUIR Pickleball Paddle delivers precision and potency in returns. The honeycomb core effectively absorbs vibrations, affording a clean and controlled feel with each shot. The premium fiberglass surface facilitates the infusion of spin into the ball, elevating your gameplay substantially. The ergonomically ridged and perforated grips snugly fit between your fingers, while the optimal 4.8-inch length provides a secure hold on the paddle. Resistant to skidding, wear, and tear, this high-quality handle notably enhances your odds of success, making it an excellent pickleball gift for women. Featuring an expanded surface area, the paddle creates an extensive sweet spot, proving invaluable for newcomers. Weighing merely 7.8 ounces, the VINSGUIR Pickleball Paddle enhances maneuverability and generates increased head speed. Securing an impressive second-place standing, niupipo unveils a groundbreaking pickleball paddle set that transcends conventional norms. The niupipo Pickleball Paddle set has aced USAPA testing and secured approval for sanctioned tournament usage. By opting for niupipo Pickleball Paddles, you embrace an exclusive dedication to excellence. These paddle rackets for adults are primed to conquer any challenges on the court, significantly elevating your game. The incorporation of a high-quality graphite pickleball paddle can catalyze a complete transformation. Internally, the USAPA Pro Pickleball set features a construction of polymer honeycomb enclosed within 2 robust layers of carbon fiber. This amalgamation offers exceptional energy for ball spin. Tailored for beginners to intermediate players, the pickleball paddles deliver the desired stiffness alongside an unexpectedly lightweight design. This amalgamation affords an impeccable equilibrium between control and power. Comprising a graphite carbon fiber face and graphite honeycomb composition, niupipo's pickleball paddle set of 2 strikes an optimal balance between strength, stiffness, and lightweight construction. The USAPA Pro Pickleball rackets harmoniously blend control and power, substantially refining shot accuracy and force regulation. Amicoson continues to shine in their relentless pursuit of excellence, exemplified by their outstanding pickleball paddles that serve as a testament to innovation. The Amicoson Pickleball Paddle set includes 4 robust paddles, accompanied by 8 high-performance pickleballs, a convenient carrying bag for ease of transport and storage, and a premium storage box for added convenience. Combining reliability and style, these paddles serve as the perfect entry point for emerging pickleball enthusiasts. In line with their commitment to expand the reach of pickleball, Amicoson offers a solution tailored for broader engagement. The wooden paddles, widely adopted in educational institutions and local clubs, provide excellent value by introducing new players to the sport. Crafted with dedication, the paddles boast durable 7-plywood construction, specifically using maple for enhanced power and resilience. The handle stands out with its comfortable cushion grip, featuring a safety wrist strap for added security during competitive play without sacrificing comfort. The pickleball paddle's manageability is noteworthy, while the specially designed grip minimizes slippage and optimizes balance. The perforated, sweat-absorbent cushioned grip ensures fatigue-free gameplay over extended periods. In contrast to bulkier wooden counterparts, these paddles are notably lightweight, offering precise control over the ball and facilitating powerful swings. We greatly appreciate your valuable insights regarding pickleball paddles. Kindly share your thoughts in the comments section to aid us in enhancing our services. Your active engagement in our mission is immensely valued and remarkably advantageous. Thank you for making a substantial contribution.